And so with that, you can leverage the frame rate to get very, very fast 4D-STEM. So this is a 512 by 512 scan of strontium titanate, and the total acquisition time is 3 seconds. It's like 3 seconds to acquire this map. If you try to acquire this with some of the old CCDs or old detectors that were running 1,000 frames per second, this would take multiple minutes. Like you could be 10 minutes acquiring a single map. Now you have 3 seconds. And so what this lets you do is you can start to take repeat acquisitions, and you can do 4D-STEM as your sample is changing. And that's what's really exciting with Celeritas XS, that we can start to enable in-situ 4D-STEM. Of course, if you don't want to look at something that changes, but you just want to take a nice image, we can also do tychography. So this is a 2K by 2K scan, 11 microsecond dwell time. So again, that's 87,000 frames per second. And the total time is 48 seconds. So 48 seconds to acquire this. It would have taken, I can't remember exactly the calculation, but more than 1 hour with the old style detectors. And so it really is a huge jump from going from taking a single image in a day to going, you can take multiple of these while having a coffee. And yeah, we're very proud of what Celeritas XS can do with that.